On screen, which game you see? This is Brick Breaker game. Let's build it using ChatGPT in less than 2 or 3 minutes. Open ChatGPT website and type here code for Brick Breaker game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Then press enter and you see some description and you can see ChatGPT generating code for our game, and it will take a few seconds to complete. For the game code is not that simple. It will like at least 200 or 300 lines, as of ChatGPT has some time limit, 40 second, 30 second, like that. So if stop in the middle, just say continue, and then it will start writing response exactly from where it left. Code for basic functionality of this game like draw canvas and the ball bricks and other update ball position score update the changing the frame, the most importantly even listener to control the game like key press or cursor movement. And right now ChatGPT creating all the JavaScript code for us. Finally our code is generated, so let's copy all the code one by one and pass it in index HTML file. Looks at this guys, almost 200 plus lines of code, and ChatGPT created it in less than 2 minutes. And like a good software engineer, it could take like say 40 to 50 minutes to write these lines of code. Let's open our file in browser. This is our game. I know it does not look so good, but here we can change some CSS and make it look better. Right now I am playing this game and it's working perfectly fine, and you can see paddle moving and cursor moving position, almost everything is working fine. It working code is getting update, and finally after breaking all the brackets it's so winning alert pop up. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.